Oh.
No, next.
Hello everyone, my name is Joe and I'm from Hopscotch.
Hi,
This is Jasper.
And this is Gabby.
And we are both raging
Alcoholics.
Hi, my name is Pav. I don't drink and drive because I can't drive.
My name is Ray, and I don't drink that often.
Today, my friends and I are going to try 10 different Korean inspired cocktails.
I think like alcohol runs through my blood.
Oh, same as well. Is this not a competition?
No.
I'm going to be judged.
As most people are aware, the social drinking culture in Korea is pretty strong and my friends think they can handle it. So, we found some recipes online and we're going to try to mix them. These ingredients can be found at the Korean marts and supermarkets. Let's see if they're up for it.
Yeah, we're ready for drinks.
Yes.
You can just drink.
Cheers.
Cheers!
Yeah, it's Yakult.
No, it's Milky's.
Good.
Why you drink so fast?
This is something you give your kids to drink.
Or you drink it because you have kids. Yeah.
I like girls' drinks, so this is
Yeah,
nice.
this is good. Girls drinks.
Yeah, this is a girls' drink, right?
It's good. Yakult.
It's not Yakult, it's Milky's.
Fruit juice.
Oh, nice.
That was easy.
Yeah.
We're drinking so quickly.
Okay, I feel like this is like 3 out of 5.
I think it's a 3.5 for me.
4 kimchi.
3.
Next.
Oh, it smells foamy. What's
This
this?
is a bit weird.
It tastes frothy. Not bad leh.
Yeah.
Hey, can you don't spoil market?
Wait, I thought you were good at drinking.
There's grapes inside.
Wait. Hey, I don't have any.
This is great for a hangover. It's very refreshing.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's great for hangover.
I get on.
I would give this a 3.
Yeah, 3.
Yes.
Yeah, like a solid 3.
Okay, this is 2.
2 kimchi. Kimchi.
Next!
What?
Sounds like a vulgarity, but cheers.
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 Tastes like cough syrup leh.
It's so sweet.
Oh, this is nice.
It's like candy. Not very good.
Huh? Not nice, man.
It tastes like fruit punch. These are all very refreshing drinks.
Okay. Oh, the calories.
But I would give this a 2.5.
I'll give this a 3.
5 kimchi.
5.
Oh.
5. Okay.
Okay, next please. Ooh, what's this?
This looks like a science experiment.
Chujing name.
Chujing name.
Someone released himself in a jar.
Okay, cheers.
Wait.
Hey,
It smells like beer.
it smells very yeasty.
Yeah.
Oh, no, it's not good.
It's not very
Like at all.
I'm not a fan of this.
This is a bit bitter though.
Yeah.
Like it has a bitter aftertaste.
Whoever created this was drunk.
Oh, it's terrible.
Hey, why is your color different?
Yeah.
It's a different drink. This one tastes better.
Huh?
I think that one more potent.
Okay, switch back.
For me, it's a 1. I don't like this.
Yeah, I would give it a 1.
Yeah.
I think beer shouldn't be tampered with.
Yes.
It should just be beer.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, this is 2 also, I guess.
2 kimchis. 2 kimchis. So,
Next please.
Soju coffee.
Kopio with soju.
This is what we have in breakfast.
Oh, soju and coffee.
Sewage.
I'm not a coffee person. It's good. We'll keep this for later.
Are we?
Yeah, because coffee, you know, you drink it to get sober. So,
No.
I definitely can drink this in the morning. And then in the afternoon. And at night.
I think I need this before work. Then I'll go to work a lot happier. I won't be so grouchy in the morning.
Is this why adults drink coffee?
Or is this why the Irish drink their
right.
version of coffee?
I represent all Chinese.
Is that a challenge?
Done. 中国赢.
This is my version of Starbucks.
Okay, I will rate this 4.
Yeah, I think I would do a 4 too.
Yes.
Yeah.
4 kimchi.
All kimchi. Next. Oh, this is the most amount of water I've ever drank in my life. This is worse than army water parade.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Part of a liquid diet.
We will lose 10 pounds in no time.
Yeah, best of the lot so far.
I actually feel healthy drinking this because it's orange juice. I will give this a 4.
Yeah. No, maybe a 3.5.
Yeah, I'll keep mine at 4.
Okay.
You're not done with that.
5 kimchi.
Oh, 4.
Next. Okay, I'm going to school you now. It's in Korean etiquette, right? Drinking etiquette. When the older person pours for the younger person, you hold it with 2 hands. Right hand on top, left hand below.
Ooh. This is the part where you're supposed to pour for me, seeing as you are the elder one.
What? But I look younger. What you talking about?
So how do we do this?
I'm 21.
I'll pour it for you. And then when you drink it, right, you're supposed to look at me and drink. Supposed to turn away and drink.
Wow, I fancy glass though. Okay, I'll pour for you lah. Oh, respect.
you.
Respect.
We don't have to do it the Korean way because we would probably fail.
And also because we're not Korean.
Yeah, we're not.
Really?
Yeah, Korean culture.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, this is good. I want a
Really?
bit more.
Okay, bye.
This was the best
Yeah,
because the volume was low.
finish up.
There's nothing. I'm having hiccups. What's wrong with you?
A high 4.
I would say a
4.1.
3. I didn't love it that much.
6 kimchi.
Then I'll minus 1 away, so it's 3.5.
Feel like
She wants 5 ma. Our under already 4.
Oh. Ooh. I heard this is called the red eye.
Red eye.
This is called torture. How do I drink this?
Can you try first?
It's beer again!
Oh,
It's
no.
beer with something.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Bottoms up.
Ah,
Actually, it's okay.
really man? It's gross eh.
I like tomato, so.
Ah. Oh.
It tastes very healthy.
Ah.
no, 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 next, no, no, next.
Okay, we're done. Done.
Ugh. I will give this a 0.5.
I would give this a 3.5.
So what's this? A tomato and? Negative 1 million.
Negative,
Negative
infinity.
1 billion trillion gazillion. Only.
I feel very, very pregnant.
Oh,
This
soju
is
bomb.
like a Korean version of a Jager bomb.
Yes.
Okay.
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Oh, you're supposed to
I'm
do
going to
that.
cover it just in case. I'm gonna look at you, so refined
I
and
know.
clean.
That was
Okay.
so polite. That was easy.
That's nothing.
Hey, you didn't finish.
No one needs to know.
Oh yeah, yeah, like it's like maracas.
Too much gas. 3 kimchi.
3 or 3, I guess.
Yeah. 4?
4.
Yeah.
Next.
Watermelon. So
Still recovering from the last one.
Ooh, watermelon.
Pretty. Pinkies up.
Darling.
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 Cheers.
okay, that's the end of the video, guys.
Who knew fruit juice and alcohol can go
No.
work so well?
I'm gonna put fruit juice in all my alcohols from
Thanks, guys.
I really, really love this actually.
Yeah.
Drink my waters.
Please.
Hey, don't drink it. Don't drink. This is the nicest drink,
4.5 kimchi. 4.5 kimchi.
and I finished it. Yeah, 4.5.
And when we finish, we must also lift our pinky as we put it down.
Darling, we are done.
We are done. This will be my only 5.
Yeah, this is my only 5 actually. I love this.
Yeah.
It's really, really good.
Most potent was,
Soju bomb. Oh yeah, this is the most toxic ever.
yeah, diarrhea mixture.
This is obviously
Yes,
our favorite.
Because we're classy like that, right? Classy? Of course.
Crusty.
Crusty. This is like the nicest, really the nicest.
It was.
Okay, the
And
most,
it's in the champagne. Looks like
the
a
most
champagne.
vile one is this. I mean, I finished it lah, but still.
This is something I would give someone I don't like.
Yeah, enemies. Drink for enemies. Yeah. I don't really care for the rest. This one's good. Screwdriver's good.
I like a coffee one better.
Okay.
This is something you give your
Obviously
mom
a
in the
coffee
morning
person.
to get more pocket money.
You're more coffee person and more mimosa person.
This is the
Pinkies
best. Pick it up. Cheers. Drink forever.
Alright, that's about it guys. My personal favorite would be the soju calamansi, which I feel is tasty and potent. From what I understand, people in Korea may not necessarily drink their alcohol this way, but we're just having some fun mixing today. We do hope you enjoyed this video. Do try out and leave a comment down below. Annyeong!
Okay,
Yay,
last round.
bonus round.
Bonus round.
Bonus
okay.
round, I mean-
so you have to play this thing. So you can go
explain,
first.
Explain how this game works.
All I know is that
don't
you
know.
flick, and then if it comes off, you lose.
So
Just
scared.
flick. Oh, okay. Okay, it's my turn now.
Hello, Amy.
Oh, okay.
I feel like we should share the shot.
Okay, sharing is caring,
Yeah,
right?
sharing is caring.
Okay.
Yes. I'll pour.
Oh, how nice of you.
Oh, shut up.
We're
Cheers,
all
everybody.
we're all winners.
Yes, we are. We are.